Hello there, I'm Nate with Sashco, and today I want to talk to you about Slab. Slab is our concrete repair product. Like all of our products, it's designed to be super flexible, so that when you're repairing it, it's going to move as the concrete moves. Here you can see we've got some backer rod in there to simulate a really big joint, and if you've got a lot of movement in this joint, it's going to be fine. Most concrete repair products that you'd see, you're probably going to have to redo every year because water's getting under there and it's causing movement. Slab's not going to crack on you. It's going to keep protecting the surface, keeping the water out, and preventing, the plants and bugs that you normally get under there. To learn more about Slab, go to sashco.com.